There's a subtle problem that impacts the way we come across to others. Did you know that how we sound has a direct impact on how well our ideas are accepted by others? We came across a study recently in 2025 by Yale that studied just how people sound through video. Through a set of experiments, they found that listeners judged speakers with that tinny, low quality audio as less intelligent, less credible, and less hireable, even when the message was absolutely identical. It's a fascinating study. This is a problem that is actually not easy to address. When we turn on the camera for our video conference, we can see ourselves and we're like, okay, I got to present myself a little, professionally. I got to clean up. Oh, I might need a little bit of light. That's easy. But how do others hear us is a lot trickier for people to understand. And so we decided to create the SparkleUp package that will just get you to elevate that quality of audio and the quality of video, the way you are seen. If you're using just your laptop or a pair of Bluetooth headphones and think that that's your best, probably should consider leveling up some of this gear. This is my MacBook Pro, fancy MacBook Pro, using the camera on it, its microphone, and really without the lights and without anything else, this is how most people sound. You can hear that almost tinniness or that kind of canned audio quality to it, and I'm washed into the space that I have. This is how most of us communicate. Seems okay. Leaves something to be desired in terms of how to effectively to be presentable. This is how I sound and look with the right lights, with the right microphone from the right distance, with the right camera that can capture all of this stuff together. It sounds more resonant. It gives you a fuller sound, and the clarity of view is what is kind of triggering that receptibility with our listeners, with people that we're speaking with. So imagine yourself here, imagine yourself with the right lights, with the right camera, how much clearer and how much better you're able to communicate your thoughts, your ideas to the people you're trying to work with. How does it work? What do you get with SparkleUp? Okay, SparkleUp package. This is what the process is like. The first step is to assess the space and understand your preferences and your goals. We're going to have an appointment where myself or one of our producers will meet with you online through Zoom or something like that. And we want to see where is the space you're going to mostly be communicating on camera, on video. You show them around, and then they're going to take their notes. The second step in this process is all on us. We're going to then order the right equipment for the right space, for the right goals and needs that you need. We're just going to send all that stuff over to you. So in about a week from that first appointment, you should get all the stuff. And we're going to save you a ton of time going down 1,000 rabbit holes to find out, what would work best for the space. Let the pros just handle that. They're going to get it to you. Okay. The third step is we're going to elevate your skill set around the usage of this stuff. We're going to help you unbox it. If you have, that's fine too. We're going to help you set it all up, configure it, set it up. We're going to run some tests with you. We're going to make sure you understand just how to use the gear so you know what to do from here on out. So we're going to elevate your skill around this stuff. It's not that hard. Just some things to keep in mind. And then we are off to the races. Then from here on out, you're going to sound better, you're going to look better, and your message would be subjectively better received. Now, the best thing about all of this is if you ever dreamed about perhaps starting your own video content, video podcast, you ever thought like maybe one day I could get there, but just never been ready. One step's been eliminated just by going through the SparkleUp package. It's what gear? The exact same gear you can use for all that other stuff when you're ready to get going and increase your visibility online. If you're a busy professional and you want to make sure that you're putting your best foot forward, what you're communicating has the best chances to be seen with value and so forth, this SparkleUp package is definitely for you. If you're interested, get in touch, purchase the package, and schedule the first appointment. If you're still not sure or you'd like to talk to someone just to make sure this is really for you, get in touch and we'll do a 15-minute consultation with you on us to help you make sure that this package is really for you. I'm Ernesto from Through the Noise, and that's what the SparkleUp package is all about. You work hard on what you say. Let's make sure you're heard in the right way.